According greeting, my name is BernardoOyuela, and I would like to present the development of the workshop on the use of user support tools such as FreshDesk. In advance, I allow myself to present my apology because my English is not the best. I hope to make myself understood in the development of the presentation. FreshDesk is a tool in the cloud with which we have made an application practice on the main concepts of IT for the handling of incidents. Workshop on installation, configuration, and operation of the system of helpdesk. The introduction. In the present work, a workshop is held in order to apply the IT concepts for the incident management process. To do this, we will use our FreshDesk web tool, which allows us the manage of the different concepts to the are handled in helpdesk. These concepts are the generation of a service request or ticket, the configuration of a company and its dependents or employees. The first thing is to register the company in the tool and then configure the different concepts to be handled, for which the tool notifies the user of its activation in the tool by email. Object types. Setup of help environment for the hypothetical organization whose support and information technologies service are being managed for the registration, follow-up, solution, and closure of incidents, events, and problems. Likewise, the following goals are to know a helpdesk system environment, to install a helpdesk system on a local computer or register the organization in a cloud computing based helpdesk application, to configure the help system for the organization and system user role, to make the management of incident, events, and problems related to the service of the organization using the helpdesk configuration, to obtain periodic reports on the status of incidents, events, and problems recorded in the helpdesk system, to update the unknown base of the helpdesk system, to document the installation, configuration, and operation of the helpdesk system. Word development. In this case, FreshDesk Cloud-based helpdesk application website was chosen. This service can be accessed or http freshdesk.is. Following are the steps to complete the workshop of a helpdesk technology tool implementation. Get the PhD helpdesk server from the internet and its complementary tools, or access to FreshDesk helpdesk service in the cloud. Used materials. For the work carried out, the following materials were used: computer, Sun, Core i7, Internet connection, EEB, software, FreshDesk, and emails from user created in the tool. Description of FreshDesk tool. The tool FreshDesk is a customer support software based on the core that allows you to support customers through traditional channels such as the telephone and any social network existing in the time. The challenge phase involves allow a team to collaboration and solve problems without getting in the way. Workshop development. The first step is register on the FreshDesk page. To the opt-in of the tool, FreshDesk is obtained entering to page that corresponds to the address, and with it gives the possibility of obtaining a service in the cloud of tool for 30 days. But you can also buy the product according to the needs you have. The fresh free for 30 days. This is the page of the registration. Server activation. After completing to the above the table, proceed as follows. For the installation of the tool, it must first be entered by the address after which this screen appear. On the screen, we give you register for free. This is the page. In this page, you can register. The system begins to make a series of configuration that take about 5 minutes and they generate the following message. Through the text, you will experience how easy to is use FreshDesk to tell your customers. Let's start with. My company name is BernardoOyuela and CA Limited. This is the portal. This is the page the main page. In addition to email, FreshDesk allows you support your customer by phone, chat, social network, and more. The environment thus is ready to get started with FreshDesk. Next, creation of administrator, supervisor, and agents. The roles that were created to develop the practice are administrator, supervisor, and agents. This is the page for this task. This is the main windows to say you have a ticket create. You can create one ticket in this page. For example, you can see the creation of agents. To create a service request or ticket, you must indicate, among other things, the subject, the type of request status priority. In this page, you can create administrator, supervisor, or agents. So you can see. Create clients. In this page, you can create clients. In my example, I create 3 clients. In this help, I create 4 clients. Categories or type of failures. Once create on configuration to roles that will practice in this help desk, we proceed to create the categories of problem or types of the failures that will be supported with the tool. This is known as follow in this page. Creation of ticket. The creation of incident is done through the generation of a ticket, which must be complete for each of these. The process that must be done with the tool is the following. This is the page. This is the page. The ticket management created. Los tickets, as can be seen, the summary of the tool generates the problem ticket was created by the client Julio Murcia. A knowledge base. The knowledge base is composed of several elements such as categories, folders, and articles. We serve to make record in orderly manner and also consult this record with the relevant permission. Example in the description or solution. Hard disk failure. Place the Windows installation disk in the disk drive and restart the computer. Press a key when requested. Follow the step in the Windows. When the option to repair the equipment arrives, click on Repair and on the operation system you wish to repair. You can through the option the report. You can generate a report associated with the analysis of the help desk, evaluate the productivity, and know the amount of customer satisfaction. For example, it's possible you generate the report that allows you know the number of report by source as can be seen in the following report. This is the sample of the report. This other type the report. This other type the report. You can obtain too many reports in the tool. The results and problems. The results obtained from the workshop are very good. Since the tool is very simple and the concept can be developed intuitive and easy understood. It was possible to configure the company, create the agents and the attention groups of incidents and the clients that are going to use the service. Another important aspect is that you can obtain reports that allow you to monitor the attention of incidents in a practical way. Conclusion: one tool is indispensable in our business today is the care of incident. Give that the allow of the perform an adequate administration of customer service requests. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.